Okay, here we go guys. We're going to unbox this second induction cooker. So my wife doesn't have reasons, but she still uses the gas range wherein we can consume gasol. I bought this additional induction for her because I wanted to zero gasol cartridge also, as my DU becomes zero for 7 months. And I caught her using the gas range. The reason is this one is only one. Okay? So there's no more reason she doesn't want to use the other one over there. And she has also air fryer. Here we go. New and additional induction cooker. Okay, first box is open. We're about to open the original box of this induction cooker. This is rated 2020, but don't worry, it is adjustable. Same with this one. Okay, where is it now? Okay, here's 3 adapter. Okay, here is it guys. It says here 220 volts 50 hertz. This is annoying. They know that Philippine is 60 hertz, they sell 50 hertz, and this is 2000 watts. Let's try. Anyway, this one we already used this for, let's say, a year ago or 2 years ago, I don't know. Okay, the reason they give us this adapter because of this type of plug-in in there, and ready to use. Power there, and power on. And check or press the soup button here and set to 500 degrees, 450 degrees, 300 degrees Celsius, 200 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's go to 400, 500. And let's see. Okay, it's heating now. Take a look. It's all about 5 degrees Celsius here. Degrees Celsius, while in here watts. And let's take a look with the inverter. How much is... Okay, there is it. We use the air conditioning upstairs, and we got 1.66 kilowatt, and the home load is 1.45. Aircon, electric fan, aircon, ref, and this one. Okay, We can still add 550, 600 degrees Celsius. There. Yan o. Pumupula talaga siya. Okay, about 600. And let's check again with the inverter. There, we got 2 kilowatt from the PV. And the battery send 150 watts. And the load is almost 2 kilowatt. Alright. And look at that. Okay. Reduce. 500 watts. Okay guys, it's working. Thank you, Lazada. Okay guys, once you turn it off, do not unplug because there is a cooling fan still working on it. So let the heat from the board will heat out. Lalabas niyo yung init. Otherwise, masisira kagad siya, ha? Kusang mamamatay yan kapag wala ng hot na lumalabas. Dot na lang dapat siya. Yan, hot pa. Thank you, Lazada. Now I got this is the first one, La Home, and the new one is Bechamel. There, Bechamel.